Well, today we're going to be opening up a couple of the Mego figures. I purchased these from H&B a while back. My video's in the playlist if you want to have a watch of it. So I thought we'd open these two. These Bela Lugosi's Dracula and Frankenstein. A bit of a nondescript Frankenstein on there. So this is Bela. Seems to be quite a nice likeness even. I say this one is a sort of nondescript drawing of Frankenstein, and this is the glow in the dark issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these open carefully, get the figures out, and we'll have a look at them. Well, Dracula's card back has a coffin behind it. I think it's quite a nice touch. And the Frankenstein monster has an operating table behind it. So that's quite nice of them to do that. So let's have a look at the figures. Let's have a look at Dracula to start with. So he comes resplendent in his very nice cape. It's almost like a fake fur type cape. So you've got quite a nice rendition of Bela. He comes in his evening clothes. Nice hands, unusual design. Comes with nice trousers. No socks. What are you doing, mate? No socks. Feels very nice and stiff, not loose joint. And then Frankenstein's monster. So this is the glow in the dark version. Not so keen on the way they've done all the scars over it in black, but I'm presuming it's that when he glows in the dark you can see them. He comes with big boots, again really nice hands. This one you get a set of chains with, and they looks like they just clip over the hands. There we go. And I like his shirt on sleeves. Really nicely sculptured hands. Again, very poseable. So what I might do is undress Frankenstein in the nicest possible way, and we can have a look at the body structure. Okay, so let's go through Frankenstein's clothes. So the Frankenstein's boots, unlike the old Mego, these are soft rubber, not like blow molded. So they fit quite nice. You get a little vest, sleeveless. You get pants jacket, short sleeve, very short sleeve, much shorter than the ones that they used, and it's all Velcro, no poppers, quite thin material, you can see through it, and then a pair of pants. And then the body is really nice. It is a copy of the old Mego style, made in China, Mego logo, really nicely strung. The legs don't seem to splay like the old Megos did. Good quality plastic, decent hinges, much better than the Space 1999 ones from a few years back. The knee joint hinges are slightly different to the old ones, so hopefully they'll hold together. The hands are softish, quite poseable, really nicely done. I won't bother undressing Dracula because he's going to have the same body underneath. So let's see if we can get him glowing in the dark. Just turn the light off. Oh yeah, he glows really well. There seems to be glow on the body as well, which is unusual. The hands don't seem to glow, but that face, he glows really well. And you see what I mean about the scars. Woo. So yeah, they're really nicely done. I was a bit worried that they might have really cheap bodies. I mean, it's probably cheaper to buy, I mean, you can get flesh coloured ones on some of the other figures. It's probably cheaper to buy a body, one of these, than it is to buy an old Mego if you've got some heads. But I've got a couple of Star Trek heads, I might actually do that. So let me get Frankie back into his clothes, and then we'll come back for some thoughts. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with these figures. They look much better out of the packaging than in. They pose really nicely, they've got expressive hands. The glow in the dark feature works really well. The clothes are excellent quality and the bodies are good quality. So yeah, I'd heartily recommend these. Like I said, I think they were $14.99 each, something like that. Absolute bargain. So I'll do another video after this one, opening the Wolfman and Nosferatu, or perhaps the Invisible Man. If you want to see those, please like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.